What's going on, guys? We're going to take a little look at Nvidia today. So Nvidia was down 3.5% on the day, $7.33. Andre from Evolution Traders community Discord actually traded this really well today. We're going to do a little recap. So today's the first day that we got our close underneath the 20-day moving average. Now, again, for the whole bull kind of thesis and the bull bias, nothing wrong with this, even though yes, we did lose the 10, the 5 and the 20-day moving average. It's not necessarily a bad thing. Nvidia's breakout was here, right? 192. So we're still currently trading over the breakout spot of 206. If you just look at this as a healthy sort of back test here, then what you would be looking for is a pullback into this linear regression sitting at around 187. Now, not really good for swing traders or investors on the short term, but great for traders, right? So again, hammer candle coming down here. Nvidia's got a lot of room. I will be looking to trade two stocks tomorrow, Nvidia and Tesla, both to the downside. Now, what I would like to see is any type of green open, or even a flat open would be good. Kind of see it consolidate off the open and then push and roll through these lows. If Nvidia can start losing today's low, around 205.88, we've got a lot of room down here. Now, if we kind of look to the 1 hour time frame and see exactly what I'm talking about. So, going back to Friday, we did lose this linear regression. We did try to bounce and retest it, kind of got rejected and then rolled over today. I would be looking for the same kind of context going into tomorrow. Any type of bounce into 208, between 208 and 212, I would like to see get rejected, right? So if we look at the big downturn here, little dead cat bounce, get rejected. Big downturn here, little dead cat bounce somewhere in this vicinity. Anything below 210, 212 area, I would like to see it stagger out and start to roll over. So as soon as we get the rollover here through 206, also keep in mind we do have earnings coming up. So this could just be a nice little bleed out before some great earnings, or maybe not so great earnings, but the market kind of pushes it up, right? If we continue to bleed into earnings, I would expect the earnings to pop. Okay, if we get some big bounce tomorrow, because we do have earnings after the bell tomorrow, if we get some big kind of run up, then I would look for the earnings to kind of drag it back down through today's lows. Again, that's kind of how you can play it tomorrow. Be careful for options players. Premiums are going to be juiced tomorrow. So what I would be looking at, if we do bounce and we reclaim, that 210.65, which is a 20-day moving average, on anticipation of earnings, then they can really start to ramp this all the way back up to 214. Okay, so if they do ramp it, be careful swinging or playing earnings, because you could see the initial washout come right back through these lows with a lot of room down. Now, if they do sell us off tomorrow, okay, and we lose another 5, 6, 7, 8 points, then I would look for maybe earnings to potentially turn this back around on the come up to try to reclaim this 20-day moving average. But again, that's what I'm going to be looking for. Initially, I'm going to be looking for the short position. We got room down to around 200. So we got about 6 points down. This is more than enough space here to make some money for a day trader. You can see big push higher, consolidation, push higher. Now here's our first lower high here that got set in here, and then we made a next double attempt here at the 230.50, got rejected, and now we've pulled back. Okay, so on this pullback here, if we get any sort of bump into 211 or even 213, 214, look for this bump to get rejected to come back down to at least test the 200-day moving, or the 200 price target at the linear regression 50. These are the levels that I'm going to be looking for. But right off the gun here, I'm going to be looking to short through today's lows with a potential price target of 200. That's what I'm looking for. Again, if the day and the algos want to just continue to run this up, then we're going to have to kind of go along with what they want, right? We're going to have to, try to pick our spots accordingly, but just keep those days lows on hand. So with that being said, make sure you guys join the Discord. You guys can get access to the Discord through evolutiontraders.com, become a lifetime member. If you guys are looking to get funded and trade Nvidia, trade Tesla, trade the Qs, the SPY or whatever, and you don't have enough money to, potentially day trade, and you want to get funded maybe 25,000, 50,000, 100,000, all the way up to $1 million, guys. You guys can go ahead and get set up through my prop firm that I work for and trade for. If you guys would want more information, make sure to join the Discord. I'll hook you guys up, or leave me a comment and I'll hook you guys up as well. With that being said, I'll see you guys on the next video.